Now let us go to the sum. Here the values, that is demand for product X is given, the values are given, and sale of product Y is also given. When demand for product X increases, what will happen to the sale of product Y? Okay, you can take it as coffee and tea. When demand for tea increases, what will happen to the sale of coffee? You can assume X and Y as any products. Now we need to find out the relationship between these two. Okay, what will happen when demand for X is increasing? Okay, the answer is given here, but let us do the sum. Now, first, before going into the sum, we need to write the formula. That is, R is nothing but correlation coefficient, Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. The similar sum which we did yesterday and the example sum, the same sum only, it is almost similar to that only, numbers are only different. Now write the formula, that is n sigma dx into dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy, whole thing divided by root of n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square multiplied by root of n sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square. When you just look at the denominators, in the first part of the root you have the x values multiplied by you have the y values, and it is so simple to remember the formula also. Here you have n into dx into dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy, that is all. Here the multiplication of dx into dy, the summation is given here. Now, what all do we need? At first, we need to write serial number, write 1 to 10. 10 observations are given. Then, write the x values one after the other, and then write the y values also. Okay, copy down the x values and y values. Now, what is that we need to find? Dx we need to find. To find dx, what is dx? Dx is nothing but x minus a. Here, so a is nothing but arithmetic mean. It can be assumed mean or it can be actual mean also. Now, according to this, in the given observations, we shall assume the middlemost value. Okay, we shall take the value to be 31. Okay, 31 is our assumed mean. Suppose if we are, how to arrive at this assumed means, add everything divided by 10. Okay, when you get that, you will get the value of 31. Now, for x, the assumed mean is 31, and for y, the assumed mean is 26. Now, let us find the value of dx. Dx is nothing but x minus a. A value here is how much? 31. With respect to x, the a value is 31. Now, 23 minus 31, you get here minus 8. 27 minus 31, you get here minus 4. 28 minus 31, you get here minus 3. 29 minus 31, it is minus 2. 30 minus 31, it is minus 1. 31 minus 31, it is 0. 33 minus 31, it is plus 2. 35 minus 31, it is plus 4. 36 minus 31, it is plus 5. 39 minus 31, it is plus 8. When you add everything, that is how to add everything. You just add up all the numbers bearing negative sign. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Add all these. That is 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, it is 10. 10, it is nothing but minus 10. Because we have added all the negative values. Now here add all the positive values. So 2, 2 plus 4, it is 6. 6 plus 5, it is 11. 11 plus 8, it is 19. That is plus 19. Sorry children, here we have got, I missed one 8 here. Okay, here the value is minus 8. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1. So 8 plus 4, it is 12. 12 plus 3, it is 15. 15 plus 2, it is 17. 17 plus 1, it is 18. So it is minus 18. Now the values are minus 18 and here plus 19. When you simplify this, you will get here plus 1. That is how you got here plus 1. Now let us find what is the value of dy. Dy is nothing but how far the y values are deviating from the assumed mean. What is the assumed mean with respect to the y values? It is taken to be 26. Now let us find what is dy, that is y minus a. 18 minus 26, it is minus 8. 22 minus 26, it is minus 4. 23 minus 26, it is minus 3. 24 minus 26, it is minus 2. 25 minus 26, it is minus 1. 26 minus 26, 0. 28 minus 26, it is plus 2. 29 minus 26, it is plus 3. 30 minus 26, it is plus 4. 32 minus 26, it is plus 6. Now again what we need to do is add all the numbers having the minus sign. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 1, it is 18. That is minus 18. Now here add all the numbers bearing the positive sign. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, it is 15. Now here simplify this. Minus 18 plus 15. When you subtract this, you will be getting minus 3 because 18 is a bigger number which has a minus sign here. Now the second part, we found out what is dx, we found out what is dy, we found the summation of dx and dy also. Now the next value what we need is dx square, dy square. Now let us find what is dx square. Dx we found out, we have to square this, that's all. Minus 8 into minus 8 plus 64, minus 4 into minus 4 it is 16, minus 3 into 3 9, minus 2 into minus 2 it is 4, minus 1 into minus 1 it is 1, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 8 8s are 64. That's all. Now here when you observe dx square values, everything will be positive values only. Now add everything, you'll get the value 203. You can use a calculator. Now we need to find what is dy square. Dy square. Now only we found out what is dy. Minus 8 into minus 8 plus 64. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 it is 1. 0. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now what we have to do? Add everything. 64 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36. When you add everything, you will get the value 159 here. Now we found out dx square values. We found out what is the sum of dy square values also. Now what do we have to find? Dx into dy. Now here we found out dx, we found out dy. Multiply these. Minus 8 into minus 8, it is plus 64. Give the heading dx into dy. Next minus 4 into minus 4, it is plus 16. Again minus 3 into minus 3, it is plus 9. Minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is 1. 0 into 0, it is 0. Again here plus 2 into plus 2, it is 4. 4 3s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 8 6 are 48. Now we got the values of dx into dy. Now add everything. You will get the value 178. Now we found out all the values whatever is needed to be substituted in the equation. Now let us substitute all the values. Be thorough with the formula, children. Now write r is equal to, what is the value of n? 10 is the value of n. Write here 10. What is the symbol here? Into sigma dx into dy. The sigma dx into dy is this value. Now only we found out 178. Write that here. What symbol is here? Minus symbol. Then minus, open the bracket because we are going to use here multiplication symbol. Sigma dx. Now only we found out sigma dx. This is dx. Sigma dx, it is 1. Right there, into sigma dy. What is the value? It is minus 3. Right here. Whole thing divided by root of n value is 10 into sigma dx square. Sigma dx square, now only we found out sigma dx square is 203, sigma dy square is 159. Sigma dx square, the value is 203, close the bracket. Again minus symbol, right here minus, sigma dx, now only we found a sigma dx plus 1, right here 1 square into, open the root, okay, so root of, n value is 10. Sigma dy square, the value is 159. Write that here, close the bracket, bring the minus symbol. Sigma dy, the sigma value of sigma dy is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3, the whole square. Please write this within bracket because already there is a minus symbol outside. So, minus 3, the whole square. Now, let us simplify that. 10 into 178. 1780. Just add a 0 at the end of the number. What symbol is here? Minus symbol. Now 1 into minus 3. What is the value of 1 into minus 3? It is minus 3. Already there is a minus here. So minus 3 minus into minus, it becomes plus. This minus 3 will change into plus 3. Whole thing divided by 10 into 203. What is 10 into 203? It is just a second, children. I think I should have simplified this also. Okay, 10 into 203 minus 1 square, okay, into 10 into 159 minus of 3 square. When you see here 10 into 203, you will get the value 2030 minus 1 square is nothing but 1, okay, into, this is the denominator, into root 10 into 159, it is nothing but 159 followed by a 0 minus, okay, minus 3 into minus 3, it is minus 3 into minus 3 is how much? Plus 9, plus 9. Already there is a minus sign here, right here 9. Okay, now this is how I think we have written here. Okay, see here 1783, okay, 80 minus of minus 3 in the numerator, okay, 10 into 178, you get here 1780 minus 1 into minus 3, you get here minus 3. Then the denominator, okay, you will be having here 10 into 203, you have got here, right here 2030. What is the symbol here? Minus symbol, minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is nothing but minus 1 into, open the root, 10 into 159. In 159 you get 159 followed by a 0, 1590 minus, write the minus symbol there, minus 3 into minus 3. What is minus 3 into minus 3? It is plus 9. So when you remove the bracket, you will be having here minus 9. Now let us simplify this further. Okay, 1780 minus of minus 3, it becomes plus 3. When you simplify this value, 2030 minus 1, you get here 2029. Next year 1590 minus 9, you get 1581. So for both you have the roots here. Again simplify this, 1780 plus 3, 1783. When you remove the root, okay, you get here 45. When you remove the root of this, you get here 39.8. In between what symbol you have? Multiplication symbol you have. Now the numerator is 1783. Denominator, when you multiply 45 into 39.8, you get here 1791. When you simplify this, you will be getting the value 0.9955, which means the value of R is 0.9955, which means, okay, there is a high degree of correlation. What should you write here? There is a high degree of correlation between X and Y. You should write this, children. There is a high degree of what sort of correlation? Positive correlation between X and Y, which means when the demand for X increases, the sale of Y, okay, there is a fall in the sale of Y. There is high degree of positive correlation between X and Y values. That is the reason why we have here plus symbol, and it is very close to 1 here, that is 0.9955. Quite a very important question, children. You have to do it. I want all of you to do the sum in your classwork notebook. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it and you can complete the sum. Okay, I am just holding it for a while for you to take a screenshot. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day. Bye-bye.